of all, we need to get the tool holder with the insert facing the inside part of the cylinder to keep it from hitting the wall of the cylinder. The cylinder is too close to the seat, so we had to do that. We bring it all the way down, plug the warhead over, and then chuck into the find the hole, bring it down, see the indicator when it reads, preset it down to 0. Once if you know where you are, back off just a hair, let it flow, and release the clamp. At this point, the warhead is clamped. We're ready to machine. Okay, now I got the RPMs already preset to 85. We turn it on, engage the 5 feet, and look at the indicator and see when it starts making contact. Right now I'm cutting pretty much the whole width of the seat. If you hear that it's got a little bit of chatter, you can decrease the RPM. Right now I'm around 55 RPM. Let it spark around, and once you get the seat clean up, just back off just a little bit. Turn the machine off. Before you back off, make sure you insert is away to the cylinder. In other words, facing that way. Now we can take off, hold it, and float it out of the way. That's done.